Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add comments in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so if you want to let someone know about something related to a Google Sheets, the best way to do it is add a comment. You also have the option to insert a note, but note I think is more personal, as you can see, because you can just add a note here and you cannot tag or mention other contributors in the Google Note in a note. So if you want to tag someone, I would highly recommend to use the comment option because it has more features. So if you want to add a comment, all you have to do is right click on the cell where you want to add that comment, and you're going to see that we have this option comment, which is also available by using the keyboard shortcut Control Alt and +M. Of course it's Command Alt M in Mac. So if you click on this or use the keyboard shortcut, as you can see our name shows up here and we can add our comment here. And if you use the @ sign, we can also tag other people and they will get notified about our comment. As you can see, we have added our comment here. We can also add an emoji reaction, and we also can edit or delete this comment and even get a link to this comment if you want to do that. So all in all, this is how to add comments in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.